Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the nostalgic light effect on CapCut. It's actually pretty simple and it looks absolutely amazing. You can utilize it for almost anything. So let's take a look. Initially, you're going to want to go to Effects, Video Effects, Retro, and then scroll down to find the nostalgic light effect. I'm going to show you guys a nice comparison. So this is how this clip looks like without the effect, and then that's the change. Basically brightens everything up in a very nice way too, in a very subtle way. So this is without it, and this is with it. You guys can also mess with the filter, the strength, and the range of this effect to fit your effect needs for the nostalgic light. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.